The kits come with the cards, some ribbons, and some paint dots. Here's some that my kids have made in the past. They're fun and easy for the kids to do, and they're cute hanging on the tree. I'm just going to be using a card that I messed up. Paint dots include a yellow, a green, blue, pink, and purple. You can make a red with the pink and the yellow mixed together. The watercolor look, I'm going to get the whole thing wet and then just drop in some paint. We're going to go ahead and just paint outside of the lines and have to try and worry about staying in the lines. So we cut it out when we're done. If you want it to stay wet longer, you can also wet the back. I'm going to start with a little bit of yellow at the top here. And maybe add some of the green. Maybe some blue while we're at it. A little bit stronger yellow at the top. Let's put in some pink. Like I said, if you mix it with some of the yellow, it turns red. There's red. And some more, a little bit darker pink. And since I was going darker, I kind of like when they turn out pastel, but I want to show you how to make the red there. I think make everything a bit darker. And put some of the purple down here. And again, it's cute if you just use a couple of colors. I just want to demonstrate all the colors that were on the dot cards. And it kind of looks like a mess now once you cut it out and put the picture on it. It turns out pretty cute. After it was dry, cut it out, added the hanger, and we're ready to add the bow, either at the top or down here is the bow tie. My daughter's not here to paint hers this year, but here she is now, all grown up. And then we'd put the her name and the date across the feet. And then it's done. Very cute.